Hello guys, welcome back to another restaurant vlog. So this will be my engagement dinner night. I'm currently staying at one of my favorite resorts, and I wanted me and my fiance to go to this nice restaurant that I've been to while I was here a while back. And this is it. It's a Japanese restaurant. By the way, this is my beautiful ring. Yes, that's my beautiful ring. I love it. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. It is just beautiful. Wow. I think I took away the woe from candy. I always wowing. So let's get into the food and the drinks. By the way, I love the view from my seat in the restaurant. And I had some wine. This is the appetizer my fiance chose. I don't know what it is. I think it's crab meat or something. And this was my appetizer: chicken, dumpling, and spring roll, vegetable spring roll. To be honest, I always wanted to taste duck. And this is a piece of duck meat. I think it's like the chicken leg. It was okay. But the salmon was my favorite. I really, really love the salmon. It was crunchy and nice. And this was some special dessert. Happily engaged. Got a congratulations dessert. And this is so nice, very romantic. I really like it. This was sweet. It tastes nice too. I think it was made of orange cake or something like that. I really, really liked it. Yeah, I ate the congratulations, by the way. And again, this is my lovely ring. I'm obsessed. I can't stop looking at it. It's very beautiful. I really, really like it. Thank you guys for watching. Look out for more hot upcoming vlogs and unboxing.